YouTube, what's the word? As y'all can see, I'm back in the garage. So we're gonna be working on that engine today. So, take y'all with me. I'm gonna do a little more talking these days, so kind of go through the process, everything. And y'all can see me work on it and, you know, talk about it while I'm working. A lot of times, you just see the video because I got music playing in the background and y'all know how the copywriting is on YouTube. So, hey, let's get into it. All right, today, we're gonna clean this off. Put the water pump on. Anybody doing the F-body swap from like all the truck accessories, if you putting the 4.8 in, the 5.3, so anything with truck accessories, I'm gonna show y'all the F-body water pump and the truck water pump side by side before I put them on. All right, so next to each other, they pretty similar. Other than you see where the tool gotta come out at. Gotta come straight out versus coming up at the top. And I'm gonna show you why. So, this water pump on, bam. You can see how high it sit up. And if you got the LS1 intake, it's gonna hit. So that's why you gotta swap it out to the F body that comes straight out. So another thing doing this swap, if you do use some of the truck accessories like I am, you gotta get these spacers. So ICT billet spacers, it was a little less than 50 bucks. And with them, you know what you're getting. So you get the spacers. Comes with 4 of those. And brand new bolts. So for 40 bucks, that ain't bad. Shoot, you get your brand new bolts, all of that. Got a brand new water pump, you good to go. All right, I got the water pump on now. So we gonna torque these down to spec. So you can look it up online, but I'll tell you anyway, 22 foot-pounds. So we get this torque wrench out, digital torque wrench out, make it easy on yourself, just get the digital. So I'm gonna get that out. We're gonna torque this down.